Good morning, good afternoon. Today we're going to be looking at Pythagoras in coordinate grids. So let's get started, let's get going. So typically, what most of the questions are going to look like is that they're going to give you 2 points and possibly ask you what's the distance between them. So point A, for example, could be the point 3, 1, and point B could be the point 6, 4. And they're going to ask you to find the distance between them. Now, you're not going to have a picture in the exam, you're not going to have a grid, you're going to have to work it out numerically, but just so you get an idea of how Pythagoras works here, imagine that you've got your pair of axes. This is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. The point 3, 1 is going to be possibly somewhere there. It's 3 across and 1 up. And the point 6, 4 is 6 to the right and 4 up. So point B is somewhere there, is 6, 4. Now, the distance between the 2 points is the straight line joining them. So we need to measure that, but we haven't got a grid, we haven't got a ruler, you cannot do any of those things. Now, if you think about it, these 2 points make a right angle triangle, and there is Pythagoras. How long is that side there? Well, think about this point here is 1 on the y-axis, and this point 6, 4 is 4 on the y-axis. So 4 minus 1 is 3, because to go from 1 to 4, I'm going 3 up. So that distance there is 3. And the distance here, this point is 3 on the x-axis, and this point 6 is 6 on the x-axis. So from 3 to 6, or 6 take away 3, is 3. So that's my right angle triangle. So now to find the length, which is the hypotenuse, I'm just going to use Pythagoras. H squared is 3 squared plus 3 squared, which means that h squared is 18. So h is the square root of 18. So h must be, you get your calculator, and the square root of 18 is going to be 4.2 to 1 decimal, 4.2. So it's a bit of a glare there. If I move this, sorry for messing about with the camera. Sorry, it's a light, there's nothing I can do. But the answer is 4.2, and I'm running out of ink. This is not great. But anyway, that is Pythagoras in coordinate grids. I'm going to do another example because I want to show you how to be really, really careful with negatives, okay? So, possibly, I'm going to try to stick to the non-glare area, see how it goes. Possibly, point C is minus 3, minus 2, and point D is going to be 1, minus 6. Again, find the distance between the 2 points. You could sketch it out, because you're going to have a white piece of paper. You're not going to have a grid where you can measure or plot points. But anyway, the point minus 3, minus 2 is minus 3 on the x-axis, minus 2 is somewhere there. Minus 3, minus 2. And the point 1, 6 is 1 to the right but 6 down. So possibly somewhere there. 1, minus 6. Now, where is my right angle triangle? It doesn't matter. You could do it up here or down here. It really doesn't matter. So, I'm just going to draw it down here. Why not? this is my right angle, that's the hypotenuse, so I want to find that distance there. Now, again, how long is that side? Well, this point is at -3 on the x-axis, and this point is at 1. So that distance there from -3 to 1 is 4. Or I could do 1, take away -3, which is the coordinate, 1 take away -3, 1 minus -3 is 4. So I know that that's 4. And how long is that side there? Well, that's -3 on the y-axis, and the other one is -6, so the distance is 3. So I'm just going to write 3 there. Or I could do -6 take away, oh no, I got it wrong, sorry. It wasn't -2, sorry. It's -2 minus, so -6 take away -2. -6 minus -2 is -6 plus 2, which is -4. It doesn't make sense to have a negative distance, so it's just going to be 4. Okay? And then just Pythagoras theorem again. So h squared is 4 squared plus 4 squared, which means h squared is 32. So h is the square root of 32. H is, calculator, square root 32 equals 5.7, rounded to 1 decimal place. 5.7. And that's it. That's how you use Pythagoras in coordinate grids. Thank you very much. Now you need to practice. Take care, copy notes, take examples, rewind, pause, watch again, whatever you need. Take care. See you soon. Bye.